Alright, so which fuel injectors are the best? This one's pretty good for pretty much everything. Auto, gas, diesel, pretty much anything. This one helps clean out a little bit of it. Doesn't really do that much. Like, it helps get you better fuel, but that's pretty much it. This one, don't waste your money on. That'll just fuck up your engine. This one's garbage. This one's garbage. All these ones pretty much are good. Stable is, but B12, I tried that once. That one didn't make any difference, and you want to make sure you use about like a quarter of a tank of fuel. Otherwise, you're not going to be noticing it all. It's going to be watered down. It's going to be like watered down vodka, basically. You're not going to really get the much kick out of it, but guaranteed to pass. That one's a there's a post in the way. This one's for like when you got a bad catalytic converter, and it helps to be able to get past it sometimes, not always, but this one pretty much, this one helps get you better gas. This one, don't waste your money on. That one's garbage. I tried all three of these, and pretty much you ended up with nothing. It's just no power at all difference. But like this one's pretty good. This one will make your car get about like twice the gas mileage for about a couple weeks. This one is the best. This one you want to make sure you get the fuel cleaner where it says gas on it, obviously, because there's two different ones. There's one for oil, which I don't see it at the moment, but this one's the absolute best. This one will clean out your truck or car or whatever forever, pretty much. And like I use it on my 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, and that thing's got 134,000 miles on it. It was getting about like at least like 20 something miles a gallon with after I used this, around like quarter tank. Got out on the highway and floored the piss out of it. Thing never ran better after that. This one you want to use when you got a lot of miles on your engine. This one will help restore the engine a little bit, and it'll make it run smoother. But I'm looking for this other stuff. There's another one. It's an oil one of this also. That one helps your car run a lot better also. But anyways, back down to oil stabilizers. This one is the absolute best for if you have older diesels or older gas jobs that don't take the full synthetic. You want to make sure you get this. They have the synthetic stuff like that, but I personally stay away from synthetic. Also, I got older vehicles, but this one will definitely actually save your fuel. You only want to use maybe about like, I use about like that much because I don't really give a shit, and it actually does really save gas for a while. But for diesel, only get this brand. For like, this one's for the injectors, this one's for anti-gel, that one's for when your vehicle is gelled up. Obviously all for diesel, but these are the absolute best brands to get for diesels. The other stuff I don't care about. They don't do anything. But Lucas, I swear by that stuff. It'll make your car run better than ever. It'll purr like a kitten. And I beat the fuck out of my truck for years. But also I couldn't get it to get power. And I couldn't figure it out. And I want to spend thousands. Oh, there it is. This is the engine oil treatment. This is the oil stuff. You just add about a quarter of this whenever you do an oil change. And this stuff, actually, you notice the difference. This is actually like the best brand that I've ever used. But the Z-Max, don't waste your money on. This stuff's trash. But pretty much that's it. But besides the transmission stop slip, that one's pretty good. Power steering, pretty much anything Lucas related is pretty good. But also you can use this on your differentials and axles and stuff like that on trucks. Also, it'll stop your wheels from leaking, your wheel seals from leaking. If you see this with the engine oil stop leak in it, you want to make sure you use that on your differential. If you don't want to change your axle seals or whatever, differential pinion seal, whatever, because it will actually stop and it's not going to hurt it at all. But typically I work on older vehicles, 2016 and older. But yeah, that's pretty much it.